Combination of 3 foods to improve your vision and cleanse the fat from your liver. Stress, lack of physical activity, and poor diets contribute to the development of chronic diseases. Yet, the risks of ailments and diseases like cancer, diabetes, stroke, and heart diseases can be significantly reduced by incorporating healthier habits into your lifestyle. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, health risk behaviors are unhealthy behaviors you can change. 4 of these health risk behaviors: lack of exercise or physical activity, poor nutrition, tobacco use, and drinking too much alcohol, cause much of the illness, suffering, and early death related to chronic diseases and conditions. Therefore, you will optimize your health if you start exercising regularly, avoid sugar, smoking, and alcohol, and consume more organic, whole healthy foods. The following combination of 3 foods boosts overall health, improves vision, and heals the liver. It contains oranges, carrots, and beets. Carrots are high in vitamin A, and Emily Chu, Deputy Clinical Director at the National Eye Institute, explains that it helps the eye to turn light into a signal that can be transmitted to the brain. Beets offer numerous health benefits, and they boost energy levels, boosts circulation, regulates blood pressure, cleanses the liver, improves brain function, provide high amounts of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Furthermore, oranges are high in vitamin C, and support health in many ways. Here is how to prepare this natural remedy. Ingredients: 2 organic carrots, 1 organic beet, 4 organic oranges. Instructions: blend the ingredients in a blender, and drink the juice right away. It should be consumed every morning on an empty stomach. After a short time, will you experience amazing improvements. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.